All right, guys, welcome back. This is day five of our $1 to $10,000 crypto futures trading challenge. Let's go. So, guys, these first 5 days I've just been warming up, building the foundation, building the discipline. And trust me, this is powerful. We are preparing our mindset and structure for success. All right. Now, starting next week, we are kicking off real trading. All right. For real. I also want you guys to document your journey. All right. Yes, document your journey. Record your experience, post your videos on social media, tag me, and let's grow. All right. Let's grow this movement. This is a movement. A movement. All right. So let's grow this movement together. This is our journey, not just mine, not just yours. It is our collective journey. So let's inspire more people to join. All right. Listen attentively. Trading is not just about entering and exiting the market. You can build an entire business around it, creating content, training others, offering mentorship, and more. Money follows value. The more value you provide, the more opportunities for multiple streams of income, which will help you sustain your trading long term. Right? So today, action step is simple. As usual, open your MEXC Global Features Trading account, deposit another dollar. Alright. So deposit $1 or more. If you are trading, you know, if you can deposit more than $1, you do that. Alright. So I have $2 worth of Ethereum on my spot wallet. I'm going to sell it now. I'm going to click on ETH/USDT and I'm going to click on sell market. Boom. Sell ETH. I'm done. So I'm going to transfer this now to my features account. I'm going to click on transfer, click hold. Boom. Okay. So guys, I want you to know that money is a magnet. Money is a magnet. All right. Money attracts money. So we started with $1 for a reason, and to show you guys, something important. That money is a magnet. So it doesn't matter how much you start with. Okay, even if it is 1 cent. All right. If you are consistent, your 1 cent return to $100. Well, 1 cent return to $1,000. It's just a matter of consistency, the discipline, and you see your money will attract more money. All right. So, guys, by depositing to our futures trading account, this is helping us create a strong trading discipline, an habit that will pay off massively when the real trading starts next week. So keep pushing, guys. Stay consistent, and remember, we are building a marathon mindset, not sprinting. All right, a marathon mindset. This is a marathon journey. Okay, this is a marathon race. So see you tomorrow for this is. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Until next time, peace out. All right.